linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is the linear equation. Anda kada? Linear equation. Quadratic equation. And now next chapter is graphs. And generally graphs means this is the meeting point of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. Generally horizontal line is called the x-axis and vertical line is called the y-axis, and the meeting point of both x-axis and y-axis, this is called the origin. Generally origin is denoted by O. Okay. Next, what are 1, 2, 3, 4? This horizontal line and vertical line is divided the paper into how many parts? 4 parts. Each part is called the quadrants. This is first quadrant, second, third, and fourth quadrant. This is axis. Quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Next, linear. Suppose x plus 4 and check. This is the linear polynomial. The x plus 4 మీకు ఎలా ఇస్తాడా అంటే 4 మార్క్స్లో రిప్రజెంట్ x plus 4 గ్రాఫికల్లీ అని ఇచ్చాడు. x plus 4 గ్రాఫికల్లీ అన్నాడు అనుకోండి. ఎనీ ఈక్వేషన్ దీని y అనుకోవాలి. y is equal to mx plus of unknown కాబట్టి any either it is linear or quadratic. మీకు మ్యాక్సిమం ఇచ్చేది ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇది కానీ ఎక్కువగా క్వాడ్రాటిక్ 4 మార్క్స్ ఇదే ఎక్కువ ఇస్తాడు, ఎక్కువగా ఇస్తాడు. అవునా? ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 4 ఇదే కదా, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 4 కదా అంతే. దాన్ని ఇచ్చిపోయినా దాన్ని ఏమనుకోవాలన్నాను? వై. ఎక్స్ this is the which polynomial? X plus 4 linear polynomial. How many solutions?
One solution.
Y
The degree of
is one, only one solution. Only one solution. Idantha here this is the variable, this is the constant. Am I right? So this is the constant means all are you can put 4 in x plus 4 in place of x you can write 1. You can write any value 1 in place of 1, in place of x you can write 1. What is the value? 1 plus 4. Then what is the value? 1 plus 4 means 5. Therefore y is equal to 5. In place of 2, in place of x you can write now 2. What is the value?
Plus 4, 6.
In place of x you can write
3, 7
is equal to 7. You can write, suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the order pair. Order pair means it is the combination of the x value
and
y value. First of all you can write down the x value. Within the small brackets and separated by the comma, that is called the order pair. What is the here x value? 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7. Very good. Okay. 1, 5. You go. This is 1, 5.
2, 6.
This is 2. Suppose here 6. 2, 6. 3, 7. This is 3, 7. You can join these 3 lines. What is this? Straight line. So therefore linear polynomial represents a straight line. Am I right? Linear polynomial means there has only one solution. How can we say that? One solution means, malla cheptunnanu, linear polynomial means degree 1. Therefore, that means exactly you have only one solution. You have only one solution. In graphically, linear polynomial means it is a
Straight line.
straight line. Graphically, linear polynomial is a straight line. నేనేం చెప్పాను సార్ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ సే దట్ ద గివెన్ polynomial is a linear polynomial. You have only one solution. Now I can see the solution. Any graph solution means, how can you find the solution means the graph, you can draw the graph divide and touches on which point on x-axis this graph touches the which point, therefore that is the solution. Suppose you go x plus what is the solution? 4. Suppose this 1 2 is minus 1 is minus 2 is minus 3, this is minus 4. This is x-axis. In this x-axis, this line touches which point?
Four.
Minus 4. Therefore, this is called the zero of the polynomial. We can put x plus 4. You can put the minus 4 plus 4, 0. Therefore, the solution is minus 4. Or minus, if there is no y-axis, that means minus 4 come 0. And linear polynomial graphically represents only straight line. Only straight line. Suppose in textbook they are asking find the zeros of the polynomial graphically. Suppose they are giving some graphs. Like what is they are saying find the zeros of the polynomial according to the graph. Then we can see this is the linear polynomial because it is a straight line. It is a straight line. Therefore, linear polynomial means how many solutions? One solution. So how can you find means this straight line cuts the x-axis on which point, therefore that point is the solution of the given graph. Therefore, what is the zero of the solution? Here 2, because this graph touches the x-axis here minus 2. 1 2 these are the negative. Therefore, what is the solution? Is minus zeros of the they are asking find the zeros of the polynomial minus 2. See this graph. How many zeros? They are asking how many zeros means this graph touch only x-axis. Most important. I am saying only x-axis. This graph touches the x-axis. Here, how many points? 3 points. This is minus 3, comma, next 1, comma, next 3. Okay. How many zeros? 3. 3. Therefore, 3 means what is the name of this polynomial? Means cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Degree. Therefore, cubic polynomial means what is the degree? 3. Therefore, degree is 3. How many solutions?
3 solutions.
So these 3. Next, what is this? Next, what is the zeros of the polynomial? Check. This graph touches the only x-axis. Don't forget it. Only x-axis. Here minus 3 and here 2. Quadratic polynomial. Minus 3 and 2. Here this graph touches the x-axis at anywhere? No.
0.
There is no solution. There is no solution. So this is the linear polynomial. This is the cube. Therefore, cubic polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial. Alright. Suppose linear polynomial according to graph, linear polynomial is a straight line. The general form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b. It is a straight line. Linear polynomial according to graph, the linear polynomial represents the straight line, most important bit. And according to the graph, the quadratic polynomial, straight line ante ilage kada undedi, it is straight line. Next one is the quadratic polynomial. Confuse padadamma. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial according to graph, the quadratic polynomial represents parabola. Anna, Sasa, it is the new word. What is the meaning of parabola? Just hemisphere. This one. This one. This is a hemisphere. Sphere. Same this one. Okay? Therefore, this is called the parabola. Don't say, sir, this is union, this is intersection. Cheptava. What is this? Is the parabola, most important. And therefore, the quadratic equation according to graphically, the quadratic equation represents parabola. Next, cubic. ఎలా ఉంటుందండి, ఇలా ఉండొచ్చు, ఇలా ఉండొచ్చు, ఎలా ఉండొచ్చు. Cubic means how many solutions? 3. Look at this one. Look at change that. 1, 2, 3. Touch all. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, this is cubic, this is linear, this is quadratic. Anama. Now, again I will repeat these graphs. Graphically, the general form of the I am writing here general form of the linear equation. General form of the polynomials. First one, linear equation. That is ax plus b. Ax plus b equal to 0, or linear polynomial ax plus general form of the linear polynomial ax plus b. Find the 0. Next one, quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Cubic polynomial ax cube b ax cube
plus bx square plus c
plus
c1 cx square cx plus d.
What I am saying, why are you confused? X cube, x square, x constant. Repeat once again.
X cube, x square, x constant.
Constant. There is any confusion? These are the graph. Ax plus b, it is a linear polynomial. Graphically, it is represents a straight line. This is the what is this? Parabola. What is the in ax plus b? What is the 0 of the 0 linear equation? Suppose any linear equation is given. Find the zeros of this linear polynomial. Linear polynomial general form ax plus b. 0 of the polynomial means how can you find out? Equal to 0. Ax is equal to minus b. X is equal to minus b by a. X is equal to minus b by a. Okay na? Next, this is ax square plus bx plus c. In the rasam, x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the quadratic polynomial. Find zeros. Zeros means the given immediately the given polynomial is equal. You must equate to the 0 and find the variable. Here, what is the variable, sir? X. How many variables, sir?
One variable.
One variable equal to 0. What I am saying? x square plus 3. This 5x can be written as 5x
2x plus 2x.
6 is equal to 0. X is common. X plus 3 plus 2. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Into, in between into what I am saying, r or under?
X plus 3 equal to 0 or
X plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, degree 2, therefore you have the two solutions. Therefore, minus 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of this quadratic equation. Next, x cube or x power 4. Suppose they are giving x power 5. How many zeros? 5 zeros. How can you find?
the degree of
No. In the next chapter, you can discuss about how can you find the zeros of cubic polynomial or 4th degree polynomial or 5th or 6th or 7th order it may be. Okay. Next, most important here, there are the two theorems. One is the factorization theorem and remainder. Yesterday you can discuss about P of x is equal to x plus 2. What is the P of x? P means?
where
Yesterday I am saying P of x means? P of x means, therefore this is the P of x. P means polynomial. In this polynomial the variable is
x.
x. Suppose I am asking P of 2. P of 2 means in place of x.
2.
You can put the comparison P of x means, therefore it is the polynomial of the variable x. P of y, it is the polynomial of variable y. P of c, it is the polynomial of the variable c. P of 2 means in place of x you can put 2. Then what is the value? 2 plus what is the value?
4.
Next.